Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Erica, guys, and today, guys, I'm going to make some beets and ginger with pineapple drink, guys, because guys, I have a cold and I like to go natural way. So I'm going to blend up some beets and some pineapple. So I peel the beets already and I peel the pineapple and I wash my ginger. So now, guys, I'm going to cut up these because I'm going to put them through my juicer. Guys, I like to go natural way. I don't like to take over-the-counter medication. So sometimes if I have a little cold or something, I try to use natural remedy first to see what happens. So I'm going to run this through my juicer and pray that my cold or my bug, whatever it is, go away. So this is pineapple and ginger with beets drink. So guys, you just peel the beets. I don't use the skin, I just peel it, and this is my pineapple. Alright guys, so I'll check you back, guys, when I'm ready to juice or put the things through the juicer. Okay guys. Now the pineapple fruit, guys. Okay guys, so here goes my pineapple. Finished juicing the pineapple, so I get a good amount of juice from the pineapple. Hope you can hear me, guys. So now I'm gonna juice the beets, guys. Yes guys, so this is the beets I've juiced it. Alright guys, I'll check it. Okay guys. Okay guys, blend the juicer sticks. I'll be back, guys. Okay guys, so this is the ginger. So now that I'm finished juicing the beets, I'm gonna juice the ginger, guys. Yes guys, so I'm all finished, guys. So this is the beets. Hope you can see it, guys, what I'm gonna pour, guys. So that's the beets I got, guys. I'm not straining, no sugar, guys. I'm not adding no sugar because the beet is sweet and the pineapple is sweet, guys. So I'm just gonna mix everything together. Let me show you, guys. I hope you can see. So there you go, guys. Pineapple, ginger, and beets drink, guys. So I'm gonna add a little tip of water to this because the beets is very strong, and if you drink beets too strong, it could make you vomit. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of water, guys. Yes guys, so I'm gonna pour some water, and then the pulp and stuff that come back from the juice, guys, I'm gonna put it in my bullet and I'm gonna blend it out, and I'm gonna add it to this, guys. So I'm gonna add Add that whatever I get from the pulp that I just juice, I'm not gonna throw it out. I'm gonna add it to this. I'm gonna blend it out and juice it out and add it to this, guys. So watch the process, guys, because things is too expensive nowadays, guys, to throw away things just so. So watch and see, guys. So okay, guys, this is all the leftover from the juice. So I am gonna juice out. I'm gonna put this to the bullet, my blender, and blend it out, and then I'm gonna juice it out and put it in the juices. So I'm gonna put some cayenne pepper also in this, guys. So watch the process, guys. Yes, guys, so I'm gonna put this. So guys, if you still watch it, please comment, subscribe, and share, guys. So I'm gonna put this in the bullet. This is filter water from the pipe, guys. So I'm gonna put this on my bullet. So guys, I'll be back, guys, so you don't hear the noise. Okay, guys, so this is a cloth that I bag that I use to juice my stuff. So I'm gonna pour the liquid in the bag. Right, guys, so I'm gonna get rid of all that pulp. I'm gonna juice this out. Just squeeze it through, guys. You're only gonna get the water from it. All that extra stuff in this you will not get, just the pure water. And then I'm gonna pour everything in one and mix them together, guys. Guys, things is very expensive. Whatever way you can save, guys. Don't just throw out stuff. Get a pineapple and you're making a juice. Just use the rest, blend out it, and you can juice it again and add it to what you were doing before. So instead of throwing out the pulp, put some fresh water on it, put it in my bullet, blend it out, and then when I'm finished, I'm gonna just add everything, guys. No sugar adding, guys, because the beets is sweet and the pineapple is sweet, so you don't need to add no extra water. So guys, here you go, guys. As I said, guys, I'm having a one. So you see there, guys, and there you go, guys, just the pulp. So I'm gonna throw this out. So I'll check you back, guys, when I'm finished everything. Yes, guys, so there you go again, another batch. Yes, guys, so you just keep repeating the process, guys, until you finish. You can have about 2 cups full left to do. There you go, guys. So you pour some water on the leftover beets, ginger, and pineapple, and then just squeeze it through one of these bags if you have one, or through your strainer. This is our natural drink, guys. No preservative and all these extra stuff that they give us in those juice from the store. This is natural stuff, guys. You get all your vitamin C and stuff like that, your iron from the beets. But as I say, guys, you can't drink the beets very strong because it will make you vomit. I know for me, if I make beets and drink it straight like that, it make me vomit. So you have to thin it out a little bit, not a lot. Alright, guys, so watch the process, guys. I'll be back when I finish the next batch, or when I finish everything, guys. I'll check you all back. If you're still watching, guys, please comment, subscribe, and share. Thank you so much for watching, and to all my subscribers, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel, and for my newcomers, thank you as well. Alright, guys, I'll check you back. So yes, guys, this is the color of my cloth after I finish washing it out. No beets color, but it have the pineapple color. Okay, guys, so here you go. That's the juice that I got. So I'm gonna pour it in my jug and mix everything together. So watch the process, guys. Yes, guys, so I'm gonna pour this in here. There we go. And then I'm gonna add, guys, the beets is very red. And then I'm gonna add this one to it. And then I'm gonna pour it back. So there you go, guys. I'm gonna mix them together. No sugar, guys. No sugar will be added in this. If you want to add sugar, you can. And so now, guys, I'm gonna pour back the juice drink. Natural juice, guys. Natural drink. Nothing added. No sugar. Ginger. Lemon. And beets. So it's the ginger and beets and pineapple, guys. And I'm gonna add a little tip of cayenne pepper, guys. As I said, guys, I have a cold, so I like to go natural. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of cayenne pepper, and then I'm gonna mix this together and keep it in the fridge, guys, and drink it just like that. All right, guys. Okay, guys, so I got this big jar and I have this amount after I mix everything together, guys. So let me pour some, guys. Okay, guys. So, guys, my hand is so red, guys. If you don't want your hand to be red when you're peeling the beets, put our gloves on. Nice, guys. Tastes very good. Yes, guys. So there you go. That's my drink. I'm gonna eat my natural remedy for my cold. So guys, if you're still watching, please comment, subscribe, and share. And thank you so much for watching, guys. So if you try this recipe, guys, let me know how it tastes, because there is no sugar in it, guys. There's no preservative. It's just ginger, pineapple, and beets. You run them through your juicer, and the leftover pineapple and beets, guys, you put it in your blender or your bullet, and you blend it out, strain it out through a strainer or a cheesecloth, guys, and mix them together. There you go. Natural drink, natural juice. All you need is some ice if you use ice. I don't use ice because I like my stuff room temperature or just in the fridge, but no added ice. So guys, if you want to try this drink, try it. Let me know how it come out, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please come on, comment, subscribe, and share. Take care of yourself, guys. Until next time, and God bless you.